We are very close now to our cat friends. I hope they are all here. Ming! Ming! Oh, Orange is always the first one. Ming! Ming! Orange, cutie! Where is Miming? Rainbow, Blackie, still missing. Huh? Oh, you are only 3, 4, 5. Where are the rest? Whitey, not here. Miming, not here. Ah, Blackie is there. Ming! Blackie! Blackie, come here. Is this Blackie or another one? Ming! Ming! Ah, Blackie. Blackie, come here. Where is Miming? Rainbow. Shh, oh, don't fight. Oh, you're all hungry now. Okay, I'll give you the food now. Cutie, Orange, 2 other cats, and Orange too, and Blackie. Ming! They have fried fish fillet and grilled chicken today. You are all full now? You don't like anymore? At last Blackie is alive. He showed up today, Blackie. But we still have Miming, Rainbow, the big Persian cat Orange, and the gray one, and also Whitey. They are not here today. Cutie! Orange, come here! Orange! Blackie! Here on my feet, Blackie, Orange, and Cutie. One sibling is missing, Rainbow. Orange, where are you going? Drink water. You will drink water now. You use my leg as your pillow. You use my leg as your pillow. While Blackie, she used the grass. Oh, why? Why you are leaving? Drink water, Blackie. They are drinking water. Cutie and Blackie. Also Orange want to drink, but busy now. There is no place. Whitey is here now. Ah, there you go. Whitey. This is Whitey, but she doesn't like to eat. She is not hungry. She doesn't like to drink water also. Whitey, here, look. See your beautiful face. Hi. Okay, I will go now. Bye bye. Miming is still not here, and Rainbow and Gray. So I will see you again next week. Okay. Blackie? So hot, right? Bye bye for now, Miming.